Hi, Andy Chick, Director of Marketing for Independent Electric Supply. And once again, we are joined by
Olivia Jaber, Project Coordinator for the West Territory, working at DiodeLED. Very happy to be here, Andy.
We're glad to have you, Olivia. I have to ask you this. What are the different ways that your product can be delivered to a contractor in the field?
Absolutely. We have 3 different options for a contractor that they can select based off of what's best for them and their application.
Okay.
So starting with 1, we have field assembly. 2, we have factory assembly.
Okay.
And 3, we have a hybrid. So
what does that mean? I mean, what is one?
Right,
Please.
absolutely. So when we're talking field assembly, we are all about spools, bulk channels, bulk extrusions that can be shipped the same day as a PO comes in as stocked items, drivers, accessories, etc. And you have the flexibility to do all the cutting, soldering if that's your thing, or using our terminal block connectors in field to really modify the products to the needs of your project.
Great, so totally flexible. What would be the second option?
Second option would be our fully factory configured option, which is great for easy installation. So what we're really doing there is custom cutting the channel, custom cutting the lens, making sure the right lead, whether that's a bare wire lead, whether you're daisy chaining together, and making sure the tape is inside this channel so it arrives to you fully plug and play, ready to plug in the field.
And I imagine the delivery on that is not obviously the first. So typical lead time on something like that?
Sure, it's a great question. And even on our fully factory configured fixtures, it's 5 to 7 business days.
Oh, wow.
So.
All right. Well, that's options 1 and 2. What's the third?
The third is if you're someone who likes a little bit of everything.
Okay.
So, you're always going to meet that contractor, that customer that might want ease of installation in the sense that they're ensured a strong connection on their tape light. They don't have to deal with it in field.
Sure.
Cut to the measurement you need while still having bulk channel. So you can have the flexibility of cutting channel to the needs of the project, and you can even cut back the tape on the other side if things change, because they always do.
Yes, they do. That's one thing that's a given in life. So with that, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're very welcome. So for all your diode LED needs, please be sure to visit your local independent electric supply or go to iesupply.com today, where we put the power in your hands. Thanks, Olivia.
Thanks for having me.